is June 23rd, 2020, and today I'm going to pull down the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's at Oceanside, California.
Oh no! Someone pulled down the fire alarm. Really? Let me check. Oh yeah, it is. Hey Jenner, how was Chuck E. Cheese's?
It was fun.
Good. Now let's watch the news.
Hello guys. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. Today, someone pulled down the fire alarm because there is no fire. So the firefighters resetted the fire alarm and make it normal. A 5-year-old boy named Junior. He just pulled down the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's at Oceanside, California. Now take it away.
Thank goodness. The firefighters have resetted the fire alarm because there's no fire. And someone allegedly pulled down the fire alarm switch. Wait a minute. I think it was Junior. He should be in big trouble right now. God damn it. Jenner, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? You are grounded for 12929882897341789108238032083908372 decades. Get your ass to bed right now before I test the simplex true like fire alarm.